You are welcome to our logarithm class 3. You are welcome. So in today's video, we'll be solving this logarithm question. The question says the value of log into brackets x raised to power of 2 over yz close brackets plus log into brackets y raised to power of 2 over zx close the bracket plus log into bracket z raised to power of 2 over x y close the bracket is okay. So the first thing you do is to write your solution. Okay, we have log into bracket x raised to power of 2 over yz plus log y raised to power of 2 over zx plus log into bracket z raised to power of 2 over xy is okay. Whenever you are given logarithm question and the base is not given, take it to be in base 10. I repeat it again. Whenever you are given logarithm question and the base is not given, it is usually in base 10. For example, if I give you log 25 and I do not give you the base, take note that the base is usually in base 10. Okay, so let's solve our question. Okay, now in law of logarithm, we notice that addition will change to what? Multiplications. Addition will change to what? Multiplications. While subtractions will change to what? Division. Okay, now what will happen between this log and this log is what? This addition. It will multiply, it will change to multiplication. That is, it will multiply this log and this log. The same thing, this one will change to multiplication. It will multiply this log and this log together. Okay, so this gives us, now if you check very well again, what is common here is what? This log, and the base are also the same. They are in base 10. The base are the same. So pick one log to represent these three. Pick one log. Pick one to represent the 3. So let's write it to be this. Now since we have picked one to represent this, these 3, so let me write, the next thing is to write this, and this. So let me write, open a bigger bracket. Okay, this log, that is x raised to power of 2 over yz. What will happen between this and this is this sign that determines. It will change to what? Multiplications, because addition change to multiplications. So if you change to multiplication times this log y raised to power of 2 over zx. What will happen between this and this is this sign. It will change to what? Multiplications times z raised to power of 2 over xy. Okay, so this log, I can also rewrite it to be this log into bracket. You know, this is x squared. X squared is also the same thing as x times x. Okay, all over yz. Okay, this times now times this y square is same thing as y times y all over zx times this z square is same thing as z times z all over xy. Close the bracket. Okay, now if you should check this very well, this x will cancel this x. Okay, when it cancels this x we cancel this x. We are left with x is no longer present here again. We are left with 1 here. You know, x here 1, x here 1. So we are left with 1. X here 1, x here 1. You are left with 1. 1 times 1 here. 1 times 1, it will give me 1. Okay, let me write this here. Let me write it here. Log. Okay. Now, since this up now is now 1 over. Okay, now if you should look at this again, this y cancel this y. Okay, why this z also cancel this z? What are we left with here? Because y here 1, y here 1, we are left with 1. Z here 1, z here 1, we are also left with 1. 1 times 1 will give you what? 1. So here we are also left with 1 times. Okay, here we have 1, right? Okay, and here we also have, because this one has cancelled, we have 1. Y here, this remaining y cancel this y. We are left with what? Just 1 over. This remaining z cancel this z. We are left with what? 1 under. And also the same thing applicable to this, times 1 over 1. Close the bracket. So we have log 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1 times 1 divided by 1, 1 times 1 divided by 1, 1 to bracket. Okay, log 1 times 1 times 1, it will give you 1. Okay, so our final answer is equals to, if you punch this in your calculator, it will give you 0. That is, log 1 is equals to what? 0. Okay, that is our final answer. Okay, you can watch out my video for more, to acquire more knowledge. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.